Hello everyone. In this video, we will make an introduction to Twin Code Lab and talk about the features. Twin Code Lab is a block coding platform that is developed on Scratch block coding. Therefore, if you know how to use Scratch, you should be very comfortable on working in Twin Code Lab. Now, let's jump onto the Code Lab and explore the basic features of it. So in order to connect to encoding module, what you need is you need a battery, and you need to connect the battery to encoding module by using the USB cable here. And once you connect it, you can see two different lights. Green light means that it has an energy, and the blue light, you see it goes on and off, so it means that it is looking for a connection to a coding platform. So let's control the RGB LEDs, as you can see here, 1, 2, and 3. So I am able to and I will use this, right? So for demonstration, what I will do is I will come here and I will click on the Bluetooth icon. And once I click on the Bluetooth icon, it scans for twin modules close by. So it sees my coding module, and when I click on pair, you will see the blue light here is constantly open now. So, and if I click on the RGB block here, you will see lights appearing on top of the twin coding module simultaneously. And I can play with the color here and change the color to any color I want. And once I click on them, it changes. Let's make them all red. Right here, up, all red. And now click on them and I can see the red color all the time. So beyond it, maybe I can choose buzzer here. And buzzer is here in the encoding module. And what buzzer says, connect the buzzer to D6. And D6 is shown in here. So the outputs of the encoding module. And as you can see, D6 is here, D8 is here, and D10 is here. So when I connect this to D6, oh, it is connected. And when I click on this block, so I can hear the theme song of Star Wars. Or what I can do, I can also, it doesn't finish, so I can also, yeah, end it finally. So I can move this away, and I can also use buzzer to play a specific note. So let's create a project where we will change the color of the RGBs and the sound of the buzzer each time Twink changes a quadrant, right? So when it comes to this quadrant, a color will be changed and different note we will hear. So in order to make it more colorful, I will upload a backdrop from my computer, and you can find and you can choose any backdrop in your computer. So I just made it a little bit more colorful. So we have our sprite here, and as you can see, Twink is certain. So what I want is when Twink changes quadrant, I want to change color and play a different note in each quadrant. In order to do that, So I need 4 RGB LEDs function. So I go duplicate and again 4 times. So let's get rid of buzzer for now, and one more. So here we have 4 different blocks, and when it is in the first quadrant, I want it to be green. So in order to make it green, I go and choose, let's see, 33 for all of them. 33 and 33. So, and then I move this when it is in the first quadrant, meaning 100, 100. So I drag and drop this under this, and then when it goes to second quadrant, I want it to be blue. So let's find a good blue. You can choose any color. I choose like 61 here, and then yeah, here, and then second quadrant, and then maybe I can make it smaller a little bit. So third quadrant is yellow, so let's choose maybe, oh, yeah, 16 is good, and I'm changing this. So you can change any way you want. There are 16 million colors, and the third quadrant comes to here, and the last quadrant red. And let's see what happens when we click on the button, and you will see from close, you will see the change in colors. Let's click on them. So as you can see, green, blue, yellow, red, green, blue, yellow, red, and it changed simultaneously. And I will stop now. And in order to observe better, I will use buzzer. What was it? So I will connect buzzer module to B6 here, and it's connected. And in every quadrant, I want to hear a different note. So it is do, and I want to duplicate this again. So when it is green, play do. Duplicate, duplicate, yeah. So when it goes to second quadrant, I want to hear me, okay. And when it changes, okay, I can hear so, and the last note maybe C. And now as I connected to here, so I will be able to see the change in sound and change in color once I click on the red flag, on the green flag. So let's see. It's a very nice way to see the connection between coding and the physical devices. And once you complete, you can go to File and click on Save to your computer. And this project is saved in your computer in the download session. You can find it, and you can click Show in Folder, and here it is. You can see it in here, and you can move it anywhere you want. So this wraps up today's session. And we will explore more projects along the way. Thank you for watching.